Jule Tashidele. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Thiksey Rinpoche for realizing this magnificent vision, which is Sherab Scheduling Center. I remember I was here in 2016 when Thiksey Achos Chenmo had happened, and keeping in mind the wishes of His Holiness Gyalwai Shinurku, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Thiksey Rinpoche went about taking this vision forward of building a center that will help promote the secular ethics, culture and modern and traditional education. So after almost 5 years, I am surprised, and as Geshe Kunchokla said, this is a place that will make you fall in love at first sight. So I congratulate Thiksey Rinpoche for realizing this vision. Then I want to extend my chaksal and heartfelt congratulations to the director of the library, Venerable Geshe Jamyang Tashila. He has a noble vision to take this forward. The whole apparatus or the setup of the library has been put in place, but the library will become more useful when it is active and when it has certain kind of programs that is going to fulfill its vision and benefit people around this region. So Geshe-la has taken wonderful initiative in this direction. Then I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations and chaksal to Venerable Kunchok Gyaltsen La of Shachikul Gompa. He has a very bold and dynamic style of vision and leadership which is sorely missing in today's world. He has seen the discipline and the wealth of wisdom that comes from the monastic training, but he is also seeing how technology is affecting the modern livelihood. So he has the vision to take best of both worlds. So he always says 50% of ancient and 50% of modern. This will be very useful in charting our course. This reminds me of what Gyalwai Shinurku speaks of in his Sungchu teachings. You know, he says, for a bird to fly, you will need wisdom, sherab, and compassion, Ninja Chanpo. So the wisdom we are getting, you know, in many ways through technology. But what we miss out is a sense of warm-heartedness, which the traditional lineages always have, especially Gompa kind of education. So I think this is a very noble vision that we can match both. And Venerable Kunchok Gyaltsen La has a very far-sighted vision, and he feels that if this is realized as he rightly believes, it can impact not just people of Ladakh and Himalayan region, but India also. So this is a very, very wonderful vision, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Then I would like to extend my warm Tashidele and chaksal to all the Gelongs and Getsul from different monasteries, Kachem Rigzinla from Diskit Gompa, and teachers from Thiksey and Diskit and Chashkul Gompa. So this is a very fortunate place for me because I have been associated with monasteries for almost last 7-8 years, and Tashilumpo is a very special place in South India, and so is Thiksey. And what I have noticed in my interaction with young monks is that because they live in a monastery environment, they have a very impressionable mind and a very fresh way of looking at things. The idea of impermanence, which is at the heart of Buddhist philosophy, is almost a daily practice for them. So their mind is very malleable. It can be molded in a very powerful and effective way, which is not the case with outside education. Outside education, the emphasis is on marks, school, competition. So there's a lot of negative emotion which comes in there in the form of jealousy, in the form of competition, in the form of hatred kind of thing. Whereas here in collective monastic this thing, there's a friendliness. The monks are beautiful in the morning prayers, they are mischievous and playful in the evenings, then they listen to their teacher. So a lot of these good qualities are there in monastic curriculum which are missing in modern education. So I think if we wisely choose both of it and put it together, this is going to be a very wonderful initiative. I myself am interested in drawing, and I feel Buddhist philosophy is very unique because a lot of the ideas are represented in drawing. So you can just remember an image and then you can reflect on the idea, like Sepe Korlo, So I think with the drawing we can educate children. Today visual medium like iPad and this thing is also doing the same thing, but not necessarily good ideas. So I look forward to working with all my friends here and the young Getsul monks from all the monasteries. Hopefully we can do something wonderful together that is going to be beneficial for us and everyone else, and that will also further the wishes of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Long live Thiksar Rinpoche. Chakra.